welcome to MarineMax. My name is Larry Vogt, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2018 21 SPX from Sea Ray. Great bow rider, available in both an outboard and in a stern drive version. This particular boat has an outboard powered by a Mercury 150. It is a true performance sport boat. As you step inside, you'll notice you've got a tremendous amount of space. The boat is rated for 12 people, so for your friends, your family, you've got plenty of creature comfort here. One of the things that's really nice about the outboard version is the tremendous amount of storage that we get inside the boat from not having an engine, both here and on this side, and then all the way throughout the rest of the boat underneath all of the seats as well. Another cool feature is this backrest that lifts up while you're hanging out on the back of the boat at the lake or on the intercoastal. You've got a great place to sit by the water. Complete with a ski tow bar, whether you're pulling a tube, wakeboarder, or skier, you've got an easy attachment point that's out of the way and makes for a great day on the water. As we get towards the helm, you notice we've got two nice comfortable captain's chairs that are adjustable, that slide forward and back. They also have flip-up bolsters to give you an additional seating option. These Sea Rays have a great sound system powered by Rockford Fosgate. You've got a 4 stereo speaker system, a built-in depth finder in the dash, all your engine data, a nice comfortable helm station. These boats come complete with covers, both a bow and cockpit cover. We've got a bimini top on this one, the stainless steel hand grabs, cup holders, and latches throughout make it a high quality boat that's going to hold up really well over the years. Thanks again for visiting with us, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.